Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. Now I told you that we're going to be with the best in the retail industry. The retail industry here in the UAE and the Middle East is a very, very thriving industry. And to be the best in this industry, you've definitely got to know something that nobody else does. And if you're dying to find out what that one thing is, well, the only place you could find that out is at the Retail Middle East Forum, where the bigwigs of the retail industry shared their experiences. The region's most awaited retail event, the Middle East Retail Forum, hosted the largest gathering of ideas, innovations, concepts and minds in the business of retailing. This two-day forum saw the who's who of the retail industry discussing sustainable development of retail in the Middle East through fostering innovation and best practices.
We've been sponsoring this great award and conference event for last 3 years now. And obviously, as one of the major retail players, we feel that it's not only our commercial responsibility, it's our social responsibility also to support the industry and be part of any of such initiative where the industry will grow and industry will throw up new ideas for future generation to come.
I think it's pretty huge that the entire MENA region is set to see a huge burst of activity in terms of retail, particularly since we heard numbers going from $1 billion to 10 billion. That is connected just to the online retail explosion expected in this part of the world. I think the sessions have been extremely fascinating because they give you an insight into how design and data are changing the way companies are setting up their retail story. Can't deny the Dubai Shopping Festival, the malls here are spectacular, and that's why a lot of people from the entire world come here to shop. So really, how can the region transform its shopping experience and take it to a more futuristic level where I can use my mobile phone, go for a swim, enjoy my food and shop in a mall, all that, so some sort of a collapsed idea of a digital and a real world.
The Images Retail Middle East Awards 2014 glittered as personnel from the retail fraternity walked the red carpet to Middle East's most prestigious retail event held at the Conrad Hotel, Dubai. A celebration of retail excellence, the awards felicitated some of the best across categories that ranged from fashion to lifestyle to store design, CRM initiatives and more.
Oh, it's great, absolutely great. I think all the hard work of the team and all the passion of the team has been awarded. I'm sure all my colleagues in Landmark Group, 40,000 plus of them will be very happy.
It's really overwhelming, and I think for my team and for myself, I mean, we're super excited about it. We were kind of waiting when they made the nominee announcement. We were like, oh my God, this is going to be us or not. We were waiting, we would have been super disappointed if we hadn't got it. But I think we really worked for it, and we're really, really happy to get this award and acknowledgement.
It has been a great evening for the apparel group, wherein we have won this year 9 awards in the various categories, and it's such a proud and a great feeling to celebrate this moment across MENS. And I take this opportunity to thank all the team members, all our colleagues, the customers, and the award forum and the committee for this great recognition.
The award strongly believe that this exclusive platform for sharing best practices, ideas and visions will further catalyze retail businesses in the Middle East and accelerate their pace of growth. जब रिटेल की बात चली रही है, then this is no secret that the Middle East is the biggest market for gold jewelry retail, and उसमें एक बड़ा नाम है Kalyan Jewellers, who recently inaugurated 3 more stores, and to do the same, there was Manju Warrior, who came all the way from India. Kalyan Jewellers, one of India's most trusted jewelry brands, has announced the launch of 3 new showrooms in the UAE as part of its aggressive growth plans in the Middle East. The company is investing 60 million dirhams in these 3 outlets. The showrooms are located at Madinat Zayed Mall in Abu Dhabi, as well as Lulu Hypermarket Al Ghasais and Karama in Dubai. popular Malayalam film star Manju Warrier inaugurated all 3 showrooms along with Kalyanaraman family, including T.S. Kalyanaraman, Chairman and Managing Director of Kalyan Jewellers. In a short span of less than 11 months, Kalyan Jewellers has now a total of 9 showrooms within the UAE since its market foray in December 2013. The showrooms will offer an exquisite and extensive collection of jewellery with stunning designs. These have been curated in close partnership with designers and stylists to enable customers to have a great shopping experience. It's time for us to take a short break, and when we come back, you and I are going to sit down and have a great meal.